It's a dead-end job, I say. Put dust on your lung and a cold blackened tongue and a dead planet back with your Who's got a padlock and chain? Who's got a padlock and chain? Lock it on tight to that coal train tonight. Who's got a padlock and chain? Well, woman on people do you direct. Yes, woman on people do you direct. That sound upon the hill, well, that's Peabody's drill. Cracking through the river bay. Yes, Peabody's digging up that coal. Yes, Peabody's digging up that coal. Gonna lie down on the track and make a pour on the coal back, 'cause nobody should be digging up coal. Who's got a padlock and chain? Who's got a padlock and chain? Lock it on tight to that coal train tonight. Who's got a padlock and chain? I'm naming you the leader in pride, the CEO of Peabody Line. Mr. Gregory H. Boyce is their leader of choice. For his greed will make him pay in time. We'll be standing in that court one fine day. We'll be standing in that court one fine day. We'll hear the judge's voice say, Mr. G.H. Boyce, the appliance now must pay. Who's got a padlock and chain? Who's got a padlock and chain? Lock it on tight to that coal train tonight. Who's got a padlock and chain? Well, they're going down to break that law. We're going down to break that law. When the lawyers decide for that Peabody swag, we all got to break that law. We got concrete that's ready to go. We got concrete that's ready to go. Gonna pour it, gonna find on that dirty coal line and make it set for the police show. Who's got a padlock and chain? Who's got a padlock and chain? Lock it on tight to that coal train tonight. Who's got a padlock and chain? Check them out, the lurkers. Check them out, the lurkers. Beautiful. Okay. Well, sit still. We have. Alright, 4 more songs. Oh, yeah. Okay. This one. Okay.
Disrupting
This one.
things.
What?
You're causing disruptions.
I was being disruptive.
No, you were.
Well, actually, all of you Padlock and Chain on the coal train. I'm disrupting the disruptors.
Disrupting the disruptors. I love that. Giving away all the tricks. The loop is on. Sorry about all the echo, but maybe I need to show you to explain this song. There we go. So this is the second song from that album that I wrote in a week. And I think why that time was so intense is, you know, I started out my activism as a city slicker. And when you do a city action, you block a road or you occupy an office, and then the police come along and they move you along, and then everybody goes to a cafe and we have tea and cake and we talk about what went well and what didn't go well and what we can do better next time. And it's such a wonderful experience, very connective. And then I went to my first forest blockade, and you know, we spent day, week, month trying to protect this forest, and then the men with guns come and they move you along and then they kill all of your friends that you've just made, like this beautiful moss and the trees and the birds. And so it just took a lot. It took a lot of processing to, you know, understand the difference in the consequences of moving and not moving. And anyway, this song is called Treaty with Trees.